All right, today we're gonna bring some small, powerful LED lights for your backyard, your patio, your entrances. Pretty much, this is a perfect way to set it up. It's less of an impact having those larger ones. It takes less real estate on anywhere you set it up. You guys can see this is the size of my hand. There's a sensor, right, that you have to turn it on. When you turn it on, you could set up the sensor if you want, or night to day mode, or dusk to dawn mode. And then the control is very simple. You got on, light on, sensor 1, sensor 2, and then on and off. You can set up your hourly and so forth. Very simple. It takes 2 AAA batteries. It's a set of 2, but we're gonna set them up today, see how it looks at night, and let's test it out. I want to check out the lights with the sensors. All right, the lights automatically dim down, and after a while, if anything walks by, they light up. So I'm going to show you guys how they dim down. So they dim down, and I'm going to walk underneath of it. Look how bright it is. All right, I'm going to show you guys how dark it is completely out here. These are really bright lights. If you guys can see, I set them up really high. They're around 12 feet high, and they, like I said, they both dim down after a while to save power, but they're gonna last you pretty much all through the night. Very powerful lights. Very simple, easy to install, very small, petite, but they have a lot of power and a lot of lumens. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.